Are you tired of struggling with bulky luggage that rips after the trips? Meet your new ultimate travel companion, the Wrangler 30-inch Rolling Travel Duffel. This bag is an absolute beast when it comes to packing space. It features a massive main compartment, plus multiple zippered pockets to keep your shoes, gear, and essentials perfectly organized. But here is the best part. It combines the massive storage of a duffel bag with the smooth, easy mobility of a rolling suitcase. The heavy-duty inline skate wheels glide effortlessly through busy airports, train stations, or hotel lobbies. It is incredibly rugged, spacious, and built to survive the roughest baggage handlers. Ready to upgrade your next adventure? Click the Amazon affiliate link in the video description below to grab yours today at a great price. Pack smart, travel easy, and grab yours now.